Good morning. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Wuben G5 Easy Carry Light. So this was given to me by my brother Jack, who a few years ago also gave me this flashlight, the Trustfire Mini 2. So it's seen a lot of wear, but it's still working fine. So now he has given me another flashlight and I'm very excited to open it. So Wuben is saying that this is not a flashlight, of course it is, and that this is the Wuben ECL for Easy Carry Light. So it's capable of 400 lumens and 65 hours of operation, and it's chargeable via a Type-C USB, which is good. And it's got a 1-year warranty. So it comes in this box. So there's a hang tab here. And at the back, we have the specifications for the light. So it actually has a white light and an RGB light. So with a white light, you have 400 to 2 lumens. I suppose that's moonlight mode. And 400 is turbo mode. For the RGB light, you have 10 lumens. In terms of the endurance, you have 50 minutes to 65 hours. So 50 minutes for turbo, I suppose. And 65 hours for moonlight mode. And then for the RGB light, it's 9 hours for continuous on. And for flashing, it's 25 hours. And there seems to be a beacon mode that allows it to run for 45 hours. So we'll check those out later. So for now, let's open it. So it has this inner box. Nice. And then we have some accessories here and a user manual. So it's a pretty thick instruction manual. It's basically an international instruction manual, and it's got instructions in English, Chinese, German, Spanish, I suppose for the languages of their main markets. And then we have here an accessory pouch. So we have a USB-C to a USB-A charging cable. And then we have a lanyard. And that's it. Set this aside. And then we have the Wuben G5 itself. So it's very small. It's almost like the size of a Zippo. So up top, we have here the flashlight head, which is rotatable. So it's got clicks for the 90 and 180. So it's 180 degrees rotatable. And then we have here the lamps. So I suppose this is the RGB and this is the white light. So there's a heat warning here. And there are heat sinks here for dissipating the heat. And then we have here a switch and a jog wheel. So it's not clicking and it's continuous. So it's not turning on. So there's a switch here. This is a lockout. So you need to move it to the active mode. And there you go. So we have the white light, turn off. And then if you push this further out, you get access to the USB-C port. And then you have here a clip. You can actually rotate this to 180 degrees. So with a rotatable head, you get a variety of mounting options. And then at the bottom, we have a magnet, which is another mounting option. And there's even a hole here for the lanyard. Let's take a look at the operation. So one press will give you the white light, and then you can turn the power to the lowest. It flashes to indicate that you reached the lowest. And then you can also turn it to the highest. It also flashes to indicate that you've reached the highest. Just turn it off, turn it on. So it remembers the last mode that you were in. Let's lower it. And then a long press while you're on gives you the RGB. And then you can turn the wheel to go through the colors. Very psychedelic. Double tapping in this mode will give you a flashing RGB. You can no longer change the color, so I suppose you can change the color first and then do the flashing thing. And it also remembers the last mode, so if you're on RGB mode, when you turn it back on, it will be in RGB mode. So that means you need to long press this to go back to white light mode. And then in white light mode, if you double press, you get turbo. In the off mode, and you double press, you get the flashing lights. Double pressing changes the colors. So that's red, green. And that's red, yellow, I think. And it's back to red, blue. And then a long press in the off mode will give you the power indicator. So the operation is a little bit complex for such a small light, and definitely I'll have to go through the manual again. But definitely this is a very flexible light, not just in terms of the mounting options, but also in its modes of operation. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Wuben G5. It's a very small, very compact light, and it's really amazing how they're able to put so much technology into this tiny thing. It's really nice. And I definitely look forward to carrying this. Thank you for watching.